हाय गाइस, मैं हूं अन्वेषा और आज हम बात करने वाले हैं मेरी पर्सनल वेट लॉस जर्नी के बारे में, मेरी फैट टू फिट जर्नी। हालांकि अगर आप मुझे काफ़ी लंबे टाइम से फॉलो कर रहे हो ऑन यूट्यूब, इफ यू आर फॉलोइंग मी फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, देन यू प्रॉब्ली हैव सीन माई जर्नी, माई वेट लॉस जर्नी विद PCOD on YouTube, because I have been YouTubing for more than 4.5 years now. Initially, I did started just as a beauty and lifestyle channel, but then I got interested in fitness in 2017 August, and तब से मेरी वेट लॉस जर्नी स्टार्ट है। एंड आई हैड रिकॉर्डेड everything about my weight loss personal journey, like how I lost weight, what I would eat, what I would work out, and everything is there everywhere on YouTube. But I understand कि इस लॉकडाउन फेज में बहुत नए लोग जुड़े हैं मेरे साथ. A lot of new people have joined it because in the last couple of days a couple of videos got viral. So like the biggest number of comments that I got is, what is your weight loss journey, share your weight loss journey. I lost around 10 or more, a little bit more, 11-12 kgs actually. Check my weight today, and today as I filmed the video I weigh 49.5 kgs. My weight fluctuates between this 49.5 to 50.5 51 kgs. This is my range usually. And when I started my PCOD journey, I was around 60.5 or 61. I was fat, but I was never obese. लोग होते ना 80 किलो 90 किलो, मैं कभी उतनी नहीं थी. I was a thin kid from as I grew up. And मैं आज आपके साथ मेरे कुछ वीडियोस पुराने शेयर करूँगी, मेरे कुछ पिक्चर्स शेयर करूँगी, मैं बताऊँगी कि मेरी जर्नी कैसी रही है, ताकि if somebody wants to start their weight loss journey and if somebody is suffering from PCOD, you can get some motivation, some inspiration from my journey. This is my weight maintenance phase and I lost my weight very early. मुझे कितना टाइम नहीं लगा था क्योंकि मैं कंसिस्टेंट थी, डेडिकेटेड थी और पेशेंट थी. ठीक है, सो आई एम मेंटेनिंग माई वेट फॉर ऑल दिस ईयर्स. मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूँ मैं पहले कैसे थी और मेरे वीडियोस पहले कैसे होते थे. This will be an emotional journey and I'm going to show you through my videos how I lost weight and so that you can see through YouTube journey my weight loss, and it'll be a fun experience for me as well and how things changed for me. So let's scroll down below to the oldest videos. I started my YouTube journey in December 2015 when I was in Dubai, and उसके बाद हम दुबई से वापस आ गए थे.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anvesha Mukherjee and today's topic is going to be all about hyperpigmentation, dark spots.
So this is from June 2016. I used to that time only post about beauty and DIY skincare and haircare stuff. Mostly DIY. I was back in India. Now I'm doing my YouTube and also doing my job. So next, let's proceed to the next video. This one.
Hi people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anvesha Mukherjee. These are the only makeup products that I use every morning.
So basically I worked in an academic institution back then. I was not happy with the job. I was not earning from YouTube and I just post content because I used to like doing so. So let's proceed. I'm posting mostly on beauty and makeup, and this one is another one.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
So 2016 was mostly me doing beauty, makeup, lifestyle videos, and there was no element of fitness in my life. I had to work at this job. I was not happy there. I was not earning from YouTube. This video you can also clearly see the condition of my face. My hormonal acne is severe bad. I'm bloated. I've gained a lot of weight. I'm unhappy at my job and there's nothing going on in the YouTube world. So you can see it on my face here. So proceed to 2017, still working, still earning a little bit from YouTube, but still not fit and suffering a lot.
T3 oil के बारे में ये एक requested video थी. काफी लोगों ने पूछा कि मैम हम.
This was a very bad phase with health, PCOD at its worst, no periods, weight gain, acne, obesity, hair fall. काफी गंदी time थी ये. Now let's proceed. I started my weight loss journey from end of August 2017 and I started posting this content. This was one of my first weight loss journey videos on how I started and on belly fat. I've started reducing weight. I lost around 4-5 kgs here when I'm making this video, and I've been very serious with home workouts and walking and eating right. I have been directed with PCOD and I'm doing my level best as much as I can in this phase. अभी तक मैंने जिम विम ज्वाइन नहीं किया. ये अगस्त से नवंबर तक मैंने ऑलमोस्ट 4-5 किलो वेट लॉस किया था. उसके बाद ये वीडियो मैंने किया था.
अपना डाइट पे ध्यान नहीं देते. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anvesha Mukherjee और अगर आप मुझे पहली बार.
Now from here you can see by 2017 December I've lost almost all my weight. I'm now 52 kg. From 61 to now 52. I'm doing home workouts. I'm sharing my content. अच्छा, इस टाइम पे आई एम जस्ट फोकसिंग ऑन ईटिंग हेल्दी एंड राइट एंड बेसिक होम वर्कआउट्स, वॉकिंग एंड जस्ट ऐसे जो दिखा रही थी वो करती थी. तभी तक मैंने जिम या कल्ट कुछ ज्वाइन नहीं किया था. एंड आई टू शेयर थिंग्स दैट आई डू फ्रॉम walking to watching YouTube videos and working on my a little bit of exercise and body. I've lost my weight, need to be strong and toned now. Now this is where I start focusing on my fitness and taking resort to gym. I've lost my weight with home cooked Indian simple food and with home workouts. Now I want to be fitter, stronger and healthier and started gym. So I joined CureFit in 1st of March and तब से मैं seriously workout करी with weights, yoga and all. And I also started sharing also apart from that कि मैं घर पे क्या क्या workout कर रही हूँ apart from the gym. And मैं अपना start किया था. So my purpose of joining gym was getting stronger, fitter and tone my body, develop muscles, learn new formats of working out. My workout has consistently improved since here because I started learning different kinds and formats of workout. And along with home workouts, I also started sharing what I eat in a day. My home cooked food and simple Indian healthy khana with good protein, fats, moderate amount of carbs, and nutrition, omega 3, healthy fats, and fiber, fruits, vegetables. Everything was included. I started sharing all those things, and I did it completely on my own. I used to research on my body, work on my body, go to cult and do my workout, learn different kinds of workout, share my tips with you guys, and that's how it's all started. I'm still working. Okay, I'm earning from YouTube a little bit, and I'm still working in my organization. Now this is one video which is very special. This is from May 2018 where I've received my silver play button, and you can see how much I've transformed. Like working out religiously, focusing on my fitness, lifting weights, yoga, Zumba really helped me tone and gain muscles, and you can see the difference it has made. This has all been possible because I was very consistent with my weight loss journey, with my fitness journey. That is very important to have faith in yourself and be consistent. In this place, I've lost all my weight. I weigh around of 50 kg now here in this case, and I've still maintained that. And I am working very hard to build my channel and build my body, my health. I'm still working in this academic institution, but I do want to now. I have plans to like quit it because it's not giving me happiness, and gradually I will do. By the way, this is also the time when I was writing my PhD thesis also. So yeah, this was what was going on, and you can see henceforth I have been sharing. I have improved. You can see the changes in my body weight and my body structure, and here is a yoga video that I've shared because I was also learning Zumba, boxing, yoga, weight training at Cult, and I was improving. I was working hard. I was also working not only on my body but also on my health, mental, physical health, on my passion on creating content on YouTube, and I wanted to quit my job. ये टाइम मेरा फिक्स था कि मैं जी जान लगा के 2018 एंड तक मैंने जॉब एक्चुअली क्विट कर दिया था अपना, क्योंकि यूट्यूब से कमाई ठीक ठाक होने लगी थी, थोड़े बहुत ब्रांड्स आने लगे थे, एंड वट एवर इट गेव मी हैप्पीनेस. सो आई वॉज राइटिंग, सो दिस इज द फेज विच वॉज I was working on myself, but working tirelessly, not only on my PhD thesis, but also on my job, also on YouTube, also on my body. It was very occupied, but enjoyed every moment. And अभी मैंने majority videos तब से it started being on fitness, on weight loss, on workouts, on diets, on what I eat. क्योंकि मुझे genuine passion मिल गया. मुझे बहुत late मिला है passion in life. I was never someone who was born with a passion or any talent. I developed a passion very late, and that is creating content on YouTube and also focusing on fitness. And I think that is how people develop and get passion gradually. This is 2018, almost the end, October. And since then, there has been no stopping on creating content, working on myself, and aiming to work for YouTube and being an influencer. I quit my job at the end of 2018, and in June 2019 I submitted my PhD thesis to JNU, and till then I'm pursuing this career as an influencer on YouTube or social media influencer या फिर कह लो, and focusing on my fitness or connecting with you guys. I've created different kinds of content, mostly on fitness, health, and also on beauty. I genuinely have interest in these things, and I love producing content, and it has come with time, dedication, but I just showed you how it has been in real time with my YouTube journey, with my YouTube videos. And I mean, seriously, guys, views or no views, if people like, I try to produce content in different categories, different varieties, because I just like producing them. I like making content. I like putting it up. I like whatever share knowledge that I gain, I research. I like to share it with the world. To my knowledge, to my capacity, I try to do my best. You can see so many yoga videos. I have few travel videos here also, and I try to make different kinds of bundle up content बनाते हैं. ऐसा नहीं कि एक ही टाइप की बनाने की कोशिश करती हूँ. स्किन केयर, कभी ट्रैवल, कभी लाइफस्टाइल, कभी कुछ कुछ करके I try to make like a good balance of a lot of content, and I like doing it. That's been my journey with fitness, PCOD, weight loss, and that's how it's been. And you all, people who have been with me for a very long time know it, and yeah, that's it. This is one of my recent talking videos. Like the last one got a lot of views. It was like almost touching 1 million, I think, right now. And this one is a recent one I did in the lockdown series. My body has changed. You can see how the structure has changed. I'm focusing a lot on strength building, strength training, developing muscles, becoming stronger, fitter. You can see with the workout that I post now. The formats will be better. The forms that I have are much better because I work hard. I try to learn and improve myself consistently. It's a journey of progress. It's not of perfection. It's a journey of progress, and it keeps going on. It never stops. It continues always. And in this lockdown, I experimented a lot with cooking. I used to have a cook, but for lockdown we didn't have one, so I learned cooking, and I cook different kinds of dishes, and I also shared them like I did in this video here.
बॉईल करो और चेक करते रहो बीच बीच में. जब थोड़ा अच्छे से बॉईल हो जाए वो छोटे पोस्ट
improve हो गई हूँ. I've also been working out with Cult KeoFit for more than 2 years now. So where I do a lot of weight training, I do a gym, I do Zumba, I do yoga, I do a mixture of all these kinds of exercises. So I keep a good mixture. ठीक है, बहुत important है. मेरा खाना बहुत ही simple है. It has a lot of fiber, it has a lot of protein, okay, a lot of protein, good fats, and also a moderate amount of carbs. I have not omitted anything from my life. I still have everything in my life in moderation. I understand my body very well. I know my BMI levels. I know my calorie intake every day. That calorie maintenance के लिए कितना चाहिए, I know that. मेरी सलाह ये रहेगी कि you also please do research about your own body. Of course, there is a lot of expert opinion. There are a lot of people, professionals you should definitely consult if you are a beginner and you have no clue and idea. But also invest in knowing your body, okay? And fitness is not one size fits all. If a keto diet or an IF diet works for you, might not be so that it works for me. Or if an IF or a Rujuta diet or a keto diet or any of this diet, paleo diet, any of this diet works for me, not necessarily is working for you. So you have to constantly keep experimenting, and fitness goals change होती रहती है. It's never the same. एक टाइम पे मेरा सिर्फ weight loss था, अब it's only muscle building and fat loss and weight maintenance and gaining more strength. अब मेरा ये goal है life का. So with age, with time, with circumstances, क्योंकि अभी कोरोना पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन है, सबकी immunity को strong करना, everybody's fitness goals and things keep changing all the time. Fitness has to be sustainable, long time, and holistic. My life journey has been very different. I have completely switched my career from a very, very different career to what I do right now. I'm very happy with what I do, definitely. And for me, see, my work here is not to be an expert and sit to give you opinion कि भैया यही करो, यही बेस्ट है, वही बेस्ट है. मैं किसी चीज़ में नहीं करूँ. मैं स्किन केयर में इंटरेस्ट रखती हूँ, मैं ब्यूटी में रखती हूँ, मैं लिपस्टिक्स में रखती हूँ, मैं ड्रेसिंग अप फैशन में रखती हूँ, और फिटनेस में सबसे ज़्यादा रखती हूँ. वर्किंग आउट में बहुत मेरा फोकस है टू स्पेसिफिकली ईट हेल्दी एंड वर्क आउट फॉर माई बॉडी. So my task here as an influencer, if you call me and consider me an influencer, is to give you that push and the kick to start. You will find thousands of influencers or expert opinions, and you can choose whoever you want to follow, okay? That's up to you. What you consult, what you do for your body, it's up to you. My task here is to make you conscious and aware of it. कि एक body है, इसका ध्यान रखना है. I am very heavily into skincare and beauty and fashion and all. I love it. But I love my fitness game more because I have seen how it changes you as a person, and for the better. I hope my journey inspires and motivates at least some of you, and how I switched my academic career to pursue something I really love and was very passionate about, and I'm very happy with what I'm doing. I don't feel suffocated or anything like I used to feel with my previous jobs. Take care, guys. I know it's a long video, but it's my heart out to the video. Bye. Love you.